Hello, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend. Welcome to week 6 of Unit 5. And this week we have a new process. So I want you to start by going into the folder in Schoology for this week. There's a page called Start Here. And when you click on that, there is a checklist inside there. And that's going to show you everything that you need to do for this week. It's got some links into Schoology and to some outside sites. So you can go ahead and use that checklist to help you make sure you get all your science work done. And then, just a quick preview, on Monday, we're going to be doing our Chapter 3 quiz and a diagram of a neuron. Tuesday and Wednesday, you get a chance to work on your human body project. And on Wednesday, your bibliography slide is due. So make sure you get some good research done over Tuesday and Wednesday. You need at least 3 citations completed. You can add more to it later if you need to, but make sure you are working on that on Tuesday and Wednesday. On Thursday, you'll have a worksheet on cells, tissues, organs, and systems. There's also a video that goes with that. And then on Friday, it's a video of a brain dissection. So you're going to check that out and fill in some facts that you learned during the dissection on a Google Doc. So hopefully we're going to have a great week. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. Take care, everyone.